Want a staple without needing gas or those big bulky compressors, but want to keep full power?
Then we've got you covered with the world's first cordless construction stapler right here. This is the EXTH18V-50M, our first expert 18-volt medium crown stapler. This joins our already very well-established range of cordless nailers, continuing our quest to cover all applications.
This machine is ideal for framing and roofing applications, ideal for things like OSB or plywood bracing. If you are doing things such as foundation or structural work, then this machine is great for using for insulation or for facade work. If you're a plasterer or a drywaller, again, this machine is ideal for use in fibre reinforced cement or plasterboard applications.
Let's take a look at the naming structure of this product. This is the EXTH18V-50M. The EX refers to the fact that this is an expert range product. The T is for the German for stapler or tacker. The H is for the German for wood, which is Holz. 18 volt, obviously, this is running on an 18 volt battery. And the 50 means this takes the maximum staple length of 50 millimeters. The M is for mode selection, which allows you to pick between single fire and bump fire mode.
Yeah, thanks Dan. So let's have a look at the actual nail specification this machine runs. Luckily for the user, and you guys out there, that we've got a nice little hint guide here on the side of the magazine. This machine is compatible with 25 up to 50 millimeter staples. The crown width can be either 10.8 up to 11.3 millimeters. When it comes to the staple gauge, this is a 16 gauge product or 1.6 millimeters. And when it comes to the actual nail or staple strips, then you've got a 0-degree strip, and we've got actually a wide range of staples to cover all the main applications. This stapler gives you full power while retaining that cordless freedom. It gives you the performance of a pneumatic tool without the hassle of a compressor or needing to change those annoying gas cartridges.
This machine is fitted with a gasless flywheel drivetrain, producing far less recoil, making the job easier on your wrists. In addition, it eliminates expensive gas cartridges and exposure to harmful fumes.
That's right. The product also has really convenient tool-free jam clearance, and it also has a really great adjustment wheel here for depth, as well as a little window there to show you exactly where your depth gauge is set.
On the front of the stapler here, we have a dual-purpose nose piece. This is designed to be reversed. This currently is set up for smooth work applications, so you're not going to damage the surface of the material. For rougher applications, you can rotate this to find points on the other side. These are designed for rougher applications to make sure that the machine is located perfectly before you fire that staple.
Just Dan. Okay, let me quickly pop on the battery because I want to show you the interface in a little bit more detail. On the stapler, there are two service lights that are indicated here on the right-hand side of the interface. The first one would be for some minor maintenance work when that lights up, so it might just be the replacement of the bungee cords. If and when the second light lights up, then you may need a little bit more significant maintenance work and might need to replace, say for example, the driver block. The product also features two LEDs to help illuminate the application in particularly dim conditions. The product is fully compatible with the entire range of our professional 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, including our AmpShare batteries. In this instance, we would recommend running this machine with an expert 4-amp-hour battery. Okay, so we've set up a short, quick demonstration. Danny's going to be doing it for us today. We've set the machine up already with some expert diamond tip staples, and we've also adjusted that fine adjustment depth wheel to make sure that we do not over-penetrate the drywall and damage the paper. Over to you, Dan. So let's go on to the next demonstration, shooting directly into OSB. So in this next demonstration, Danny's going to pop some staples into some OSB, but I've messed with his stapler just a little bit and messed with the depth adjustment. So this one, in theory, shouldn't go all the way in. Go on, Dan. Yeah, sure. Okay, so that staple is a little bit proud. So as you can see, I messed with Dan's wheel a little bit too much that time. So Dan's going to now use the fine depth adjustment wheel to make sure that that nail is penetrating further.
There you go.
Okay, have another go.
There you go.
Absolutely spot on. So as you can see, you can get your adjustments done in quick and make sure that they're perfect every time. So in this final demonstration, Danny's going to use the mode selection to switch the stapler into bump fire mode, which means now he can fire rapidly. All you need to do is hold down the trigger and simply bump the machine off and on the material to fire the staple. Over to you, mate. Luckily, Danny didn't get too carried away there. Easy as that. So in summary, we've got the world's first cordless medium crown stapler with that full power tech, giving you performance equivalent to Pneumatic.
It's easy to use, quieter compared to alternatives, and with that low recoil, much easier on your wrists.
And finally, for staples up to 50 millimeters, and thanks to that fine depth adjustment wheel here, you get perfect applications every time. If you've liked this video, feel free to like and subscribe.
And place your comments down below.
Outtakes.
So in summary, we've got the world's first... Sorry, I'll start that again, I'm talking shit. Cool, thank you.
Then we've got you covered with the world's first...
This is the hardest bit for us.
I thought I'd understand professional. I mean...